Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're looking at a genuine refrigerator water filtration solution, the LG LT1000P2 replacement water filter, a 2-count pack designed for clean, safe, and great-tasting drinking water. What this filter does. The LT1000P uses advanced carbon filtration to reduce chlorine taste and odor, along with common water contaminants. It significantly improves the taste of drinking water and ice, making it ideal for everyday household use. Capacity and lifespan. Each filter is rated for 200 gallons or 6 months, whichever comes first. This ensures consistent filtration performance without frequent replacements. Compatibility. This is a genuine LG OEM filter, designed specifically for select LG French door and side-by-side refrigerators. Using original LG filters helps protect internal refrigerator components and maintain optimal water flow. Installation. Installation is extremely simple, tool-free, twist-and-lock design. Most users can replace it in under 2 minutes. Health and safety. The filter is NSF certified, ensuring it meets strict standards for water quality and safety. It helps reduce exposure to contaminants commonly found in municipal water supplies. Value of the 2-pack. With 2 filters in 1 pack, you're covered for up to 1 full year of clean water. Verdict. If you own a compatible LG refrigerator, the LT1000P2 is the safest and most reliable choice for clean water. Like, subscribe, and comment below if you use original filters or third-party ones. I'd love to hear your experience.